Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete an account on AliExpress. Here's how to delete an account on AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into AliExpress by visiting the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. In the website, log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of your page. You're going to see a couple of options which include My Orders, My Coins, Message Center, Payments, Wishlist, My Coupons, AliExpress Business, DS Center, and all the way down to the last option, which is Accessibility. Go ahead and click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Settings page, which we're going to go in right in a few, okay? Ignore it. So in the settings page, which we are in right here, you're going to see a couple of categories which include personal information, security information, activate email notifications, privacy, safety filter, and social media account. Now head over to personal information, and under the personal information category, you'll find an option labeled Delete Account. Click on it, and you'll be presented with information about the deletion process, including what will happen to your account and data. Read this carefully. Now, the request to delete your account is final and cannot be undone. Please consider carefully before proceeding. This operation may invalidate other requests you could have applied for, and before deleting your account, will evaluate the status of your account. Be carefully review your deletion request, including taking into account whether deleting your existing orders on AliExpress may affect your legitimate rights and interests or legal obligations that you need to comply with. Now, once you've read that carefully, go ahead and click on Delete Your Account button. Now, you may need to enter your account password again for security purposes if prompted. If not, screw it. Now, after confirming the details and verifying your identity, go ahead and submit your request to delete the account. You'll receive a confirmation email. Open the confirmation email sent by AliExpress and follow the instructions to finalize the account deletion. And once the process is complete, your AliExpress account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer have access to it. I'd like you to know that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. So make sure you've resolved any ongoing orders or disputes before proceeding. Okay, go over your tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.